I'd like to say thank you again to HYCHIKA for sending out this orbital sander for me to review on my channel. I have not been paid by HYCHIKA or told what to say, but I did receive this product for free. There will be a link to their Amazon page and also their web page if you would like to buy one. The usual user manual. Your dust bag, which has a bayonet fit in. A pack of sanding discs, which is a nice touch. P80. P20s, P180s, and P240s. Yep, nice little touch. They'll come in handy, no doubt. And the sander itself with a UK plug, as I'm in the UK. Dust extraction adapter for if you want to connect it to a vacuum or something like that. Again, bayonet fit, and then you would have your hose coming from your workshop vacuum onto it. Or you can simply just use the dust bag, which fits like so. It is variable speed, which we'll get into a bit later in the video. 1 all the way up to 6. It looks a lot like the Parkside orbital sander. Your on-off switch. Speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you place your sanding disc on, make sure the awls in the disc line up with the pad so your dust extraction works. Because you'd be surprised the amount of people I have seen that don't, and then they wonder why there's sawdust going everywhere. Like I said, just make sure the awls are lined up with the awl on the tool itself, and then you should get good dust extraction. But yeah, feels good quality, as the other HYCHIKA tools I've had and reviewed. And I think it's only about £29 on Amazon, so an absolute steal for that price. But we'll give it a test in a minute and see just how good it really is. We'll give it a test on this dirty piece of pine. As you can see, absolutely no problem. That's coming up really well. Hardly any dust. I'll sand the rest of it now just so you can see what it's actually like. The sander has plenty of power. Even when I put quite a bit of pressure on it, it doesn't drop in power whatsoever. Very impressed for the price. Very impressed. Plenty of power, as you can see on the video, plenty of power. It's absolutely annihilating this. You can see how dirty this piece is, so let's try this. The tool is sanding extremely well. There is no pull away like with some sanders. It actually feels as though you are actually in control, which is what you want from a sander, no matter how much you pay for it. Yep, well impressed with this, and it doesn't try to pull away from you like some sanders do. It actually is very easy to control. Well recommended. There's hardly any dust in the workshop, as you can see. Collects the dust really well, but just make sure the holes are lined up on the sanding pad to the sander, and you shouldn't have any problems. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please give a like if you liked the video, and please consider subscribing. Thank you.